Your eyebrow game can be jacked up. Hey guys, Jess here. So, I know you guys are seeing me in something different other than what I'm wearing in the thumbnail. This is the second time me doing this, second time around for me doing this, and I said, you know what? I'm not doing the thumbnail over. It looks good enough. So, today, what we are going to be doing is I'm going to go over and show you guys my updated brow routine because with me getting better at eye makeup, I'm going to put the link there. More specifically, the link where I changed my eyebrow routine. The most important thing that's going to hold that together is your eyebrows as well, because you can have your eyeshadow look on fleek, you know, it just look fine, but your eyebrow game can be jacked up and it'll just throw the whole look away, sis. So when I started getting suggestions from the Reddit makeup addiction group, then I just took the liberty a couple days ago. I'm like, let me see what I can do, because me personally, I don't like too brighter eyebrows, like dark brown, because in each makeup brand, dark brown eye pencils, brow pencils, pomades, gels, the shades aren't created the same. So you have to test out what works for you and what doesn't work for you. So finally, I was able to update my eyebrow routine, and I'm going to show you guys what that's about. All right, so we are going to start with my angled brush. This is my trusty mirror here. Walmart, if you're wondering. Yeah, that's gave you guys a little preview of my brushes. Of course, you just got a better preview when I move the mirror. So, angled brush, and I use two products specifically, both from Maybelline. So Maybelline Tattoo Studio. Now what's in my hand here is the Brow Pomade Brow. I don't know why I said bow. Like, what? I'm using the Brow Pomade from Maybelline Tattoo Studio in the color Black Brown. And also the Maybelline Tattoo Studio Gel Pencil Liner in the color Bold Brown, along with the angled brush. Now we're going to go ahead and get to work. Alright, so I am taking the gel pencil liner, which is a slight shade lighter than this pomade. And I'm just doing very, very light strokes, so that way I get a little bit of color balance. And then we're going to go ahead and carve out the eyebrows, finish up everything else. gotta carve them out. And I'm going to use this. I'm going to show you guys a technique. So this will also be a eyebrow hack within this routine. All right, take your foundation or concealer of choice. This is for when you don't have the brushes. Okay. Now I have the brushes. I've just gotten accustomed to using a sponge. Okay. So I get that there. And you want to take your finger, nail or not, press it only against that corner, because that's where you're going. When you start dragging this sponge, you're going to drag it along where you're carving out your eyebrows in the shape you want to carve them in. Carve them out. Potato, potato. Okay. And I feel like when you're carving out your eyebrows this way, that, well, in my opinion, I'm like, okay, sis, this is the best time for you to swipe your foundation or your product. But if you're going all over the face with it and swiping, then that's not a good idea. But I always say do what works best for you. Now I'm going to go back over that with NYX's Can't Stop, Won't Stop, and I started with Revlon Color Stay and Espresso to carve them out. Now I'll go back and reinforce that structure of what I carved out. Right, and when I come back, I'll have the final look.